Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3.10 or newer and creating a virtual environment. This isolates dependencies. Once activated, pip install numpy, pandas for data work, and torch or TensorFlow plus transformers for models. Make sure to set up an API key if you'll call hosted models and store it in an environment variable. Run a quick import test script to verify versions and device availability. This first check prevents wasted time later and gets you coding immediately. Now you prepare data and instantiate the model. You'll clean and normalize inputs, then split into train/val. Once done, use the tokenizer from the model family to batch encode text, padding and truncating consistently. Next, decide whether to use a pre-trained model, as is, or fine-tune. If fine-tuning, set a small learning rate and frozen layers initially. Make sure to create data loader objects and test a single forward pass to validate shapes and device placement before full training. You complete the pipeline by training with checkpoints and monitoring validation metrics. Once satisfied, export the model for inference. Use Torch script or ONCs, or push to the Hugging Face hub for hosting. For deployment, wrap inference in an API with batching and caching to reduce latency. If things go wrong, first check tensor shapes and device mismatches, then memory usage and library versions. Often a mismatched D-type or CPU/GPU device causes failures, so reproduce the error with a minimal example.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.